Hello guys and welcome to TechWolf. In this video I'm going to show you how to invest in crypto. And this video is for those who are absolutely new to cryptocurrency and you don't know how to invest, where to start, where to begin, how to make the first step, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you or share with you the best or the easiest way how you can enter crypto and how you can start buying different cryptocurrencies for yourself. And we will be looking at the most popular cryptocurrency exchange, which is Coinbase. And Coinbase is the place where you can buy different cryptocurrencies, loads of different cryptocurrencies, but not all of them. There are many other different exchanges. If you will start getting into the crypto for yourself in the future, you will start learning more. And if you are interested, I can make more videos on how to join different cryptocurrencies, how to do trading and much more, guys. So to start and to get into the cryptocurrency, first thing what you will need to do is to create account here on Coinbase. If you hover over Explore, you can go and check out different cryptocurrencies which they have and which you can buy here on Coinbase. I'm not logged in now, but I will show you also how the Coinbase looks from logged in, as I already have account created with Coinbase. And as you can see, you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB and Solana and many more different other cryptocurrencies which are listed here on Coinbase. And there are quite a lot, guys. As you can see, there are 341 pages of different cryptocurrencies. First thing, like I mentioned, what you need to do is click here on the right top corner on sign up. And to sign up for Coinbase, you will need to complete a KYC. You will see everything when you will start signing up, guys, but once you will be signing up, you will need to complete KYC. This means that you will need to pass know your customer procedure, and this is government requirement for all these different exchanges, for all these trading platforms. Even if you would be joining, for example, some forex trading or for example stock market trading platform, you would also need to pass a KYC. And KYC pretty much means that you need to provide the proof of your address, proof of your name, and provide some valid ID with your photo. And in some cases you need to make a photo from your camera when you are joining these platforms. Once you will join this platform, once you will pass your KYC, you will be able to log in. As you can see here, guys, this is how Coinbase looks from inside. And here if you are in home, you can select different assets which you can buy and sell here on Coinbase. As I'm already in crypto space for many years, first question what usually is from people who want to join cryptocurrency is how can I sell cryptos? So if you are buying cryptocurrency here, you can also sell it straight away, but you have to keep in mind when you are buying, you will be paying some transaction fee, and when you are selling, you will also be paying some transaction fee for the purchase. And this is how these trading platforms or stock trading platforms and cryptocurrency platforms, cryptocurrency exchanges, this is how they make money on transaction fees whenever you are buying and whenever you are selling. This is how they are making their profits, guys. So you have to keep it in mind whenever you are buying and whenever you are selling. But like I mentioned, you can buy and sell straight away. Once you will have your account, here at the top you can see that here there is the button buy and sell. If you click that button here at the bottom, currently you can see I have connected PayPal. You can connect your bank card. If you click here, you will see that you will have an option to add a payment method, and if you click there on add payment method, you can add your credit or debit card, or you can add your PayPal account. And by using any of these payment methods, for example, I have added them both, you could add them only, for example, credit or debit card, then you would be able to buy and sell cryptocurrency here on Coinbase crypto exchange. And like I mentioned, guys, Coinbase is the most popular option out there, where usually whenever who is new in crypto space, who still don't know what he is doing, where he can buy and sell cryptocurrency. And whenever you are buying cryptocurrency, you will be able to go to my assets and you will be able to see all your cryptocurrencies here. As you can see in my scenario, currently I have only one cryptocurrency, which is DSO, so decentralized social, and as you can see I have 25 coins of this DSO, and one coin costs currently 37 euro. If it would be in dollars, that would cost about $40, guys. And here you can see a price chart for each cryptocurrency, whatever you want. For example, if we go back to home and you would want to see price chart for any of these cryptocurrencies which are listed here, you can also click there on see all, and also see all cryptocurrencies which are here on Coinbase, you just click on that particular cryptocurrency. Like in this scenario, I clicked on Zcash, and you can see a price chart for that particular asset. As you can see, currently the price is 26 euro. In dollars that would be about 28 or 30 dollars. And here you can see all the price activity, what was happening with this cryptocurrency. Here you can select 1 hour chart, what has happened in last hour. Here if you click on 1 day, you can see what has happened in last day, or for example you can see how price was changing in 1 week or how price was changing in 1 month. As you can see here guys, 1 month ago this crypto Zcash costed only $20. 1 month ago you would be able to get this crypto for 20 euro, and currently price is 26.5 euro, and in last month the price has risen by 28%. So yes, this is the easiest way how you can join and how you can invest in crypto. If you are interested to start out guys, then my suggestion would not be to go to any exchanges like Bybit or for example Binance, but start out with Coinbase, because this is the easiest solution and this is the most friendly solution for absolute newbies who want to start investing in crypto. If you are interested, come in, check this out for yourself guys. I will also leave my referral link in description. If you want, you can use my referral link, and if you use my referral link you will have also some discounts on first $100 which you will spend here on Coinbase. Create account, add your payment method, do your KYC verification, and you can start buying and selling. And by the way, all those cryptocurrencies which you can see here guys, you can transfer to your own wallets. You don't have to keep them here on Coinbase. You can also transfer, because these are real cryptocurrencies which you can transfer to your own wallets. If you want, like I mentioned guys, ask me in comments if you would want me to create a video. I can create a video how you can transfer cryptocurrencies, what are different types of cryptocurrencies, what wallets you need, what wallets are out there, and many more things about crypto in general. So yes guys, this was my quick video on how to invest in crypto, and if you found this video useful, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next one.